This Coldwell Banker Bisceglia Realty Company property video is presented by Sheila Durham. Beautifully restored home. This 4-bedroom 2-bath home has been well maintained and preserved. In the middle of Harrogate, it is only minutes away from LMU, shopping and entertainment. There is 1 bedroom on the main floor with a living room, bonus room and game room. It has 2 stairways for easy access throughout the home and a bonus or family on the 2nd floor. The in-ground pool and large backyard makes a great place to relax or entertain with family and friends. Call today to set up a showing. For more information, review the details below or contact Sheila Durham at 606-248-4932.